How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Connor from BMW Freeport. Today, I'm in a 2024 BMW iX with the updated iDrive 8.5 system, and we're going to be covering climate control settings. So let's get right into it. We're going to go ahead and click on our fan icon right here. As you can see, the climate menu has changed. It's been completely redesigned with this nice aesthetic pleasing animation that we're looking at right here. So all the way on the bottom left-hand side, we have our power button to turn the climate settings on and off right here. And then just to the right of that, we have our fan speed, so we can adjust our fan speed over here. We have our automatic air recirculation settings. We also have our manual AC mode to turn the AC on and off. Our automatic climate control. We can go ahead and select where the airflow is coming from. Max AC. And our sync button to sync both sides of the climate control. Let's get back to our climate control menu here. We have our preconditioning. So because this is the BMW iX, you do have your preconditioning plan that you can go ahead and set up either via the BMW app or in the vehicle, which we'll cover in another video. And we have our heated seats and steering wheel, which is now down here by our climate control number. So you can go ahead and change the intensity by tapping on this a couple different times, and you can see the intensity of the heated steering wheel and the heated seats will change with it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing BMW Freeport. Any questions, please comment down below. Any videos you'd like to see in the future, comment down below as well.